About this item: high quality. The office chair casters are made from industrial grade steel, using high quality polyurethane and nylon. Wear resistant, lightweight, easy to replacement and use. Casters can provide good protection on the surface from damage and scratch during using on hardwood, laminate, ceramic tiles, slate and all other hard material application. Our chair wheels use in universal stem, 7/16, 11 mm, x 7/8, 22 mm, are suitable for most existing rolling chair, office chairs, computer chair, gaming chair, executive chairs, work chairs, rolling stools, and most famous brand chair, Herman Miller, steel case Hayworth, easy to slide on the hard floor, made of polyurethane and nylon material, both suitable for home or office use, and can be used for a long time. Smooth move in Slians. 5 chair wheels are enough to support 1,000 pounds, which is safe for a big man sitting on a rolling office chair. You'll slide and glide around in total silence with our swivel casters. It is a great choice to choose our wheels to upgrade your chair and bring you a quiet working environment. Installation by hand. The universal standard stem size, 7/16, 11 mm, x 7/8, 22 mm, can be used as a replacement wheel for most work chairs and stools. Easy installation: just pull out the old wheel first, then push the rod of the new office chair wheel into the slot until it is firmly fixed. All can be done by hand. Customers' satisfaction is our #1 priority. Welcome to order our products and provide you with valuable suggestions for improvement and optimization. We put considerable effort into ensuring we created the best desk chair wheels to our customers. After a quick install and glide around, we're positive you'll agree. If by some miracle you don't, we'll give you a full refund. In the description to get this product today at the best price. About this item: high quality. The office chair casters are made from industrial grade steel, using high quality polyurethane and nylon. Wear resistant, lightweight,